Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Shorthand Typing Academy. Today I am going to dictate a legal passage from the newspaper at the speed of 100 words per minute. So be ready for it. Start. The Congress on Sunday demanded a probe into the alleged manipulation of the Mains 2021 under the supervision of a sitting Supreme Court judge and said all major competitive exams held in the past 7 years should be investigated. Stop. Party spokesperson Gaurav in a press conference today cited the arrest of 7 persons in the case by the CBI as a matter of grave concern. Stop. He said raised questions on the sanctity of the exams conducted by the National Testing Agency under the Ministry of Education. Stop. If such a prestigious exam as mains, which is the entry point to top centrally funded technical institutes, can be manipulated, what is the guarantee that other exams conducted by the NTA have been transparent? Question mark. The government and the NTA must answer the youth of the country, said a person. Stop. The Congress cited the alleged fraud in the fourth session of the JEE Mains 2021 with the Central Bureau of Investigation registering a case against a private institute and its directors and 3 employees on the allegations of committing fraud in conducting the exam. Stop. As per the Central Bureau of Investigation, the institute was involved in helping students cheat. Stop. The institute also collected money from students after their selection. Stop. Preliminary probe has found that the question paper of the applicants was accessed remotely from a chosen examination center in Haryana, as the entire examination is a computer based test. Stop. It is alleged that the institute was conducting these false practices through an examination center in Sonipat, he said. Stop. Para. More than a 5 year after the names of 5 advocates were forwarded by the Punjab and Haryana High Collegium for elevation as judges, the Supreme Court Collegium has recommended 4 names. Stop. Once appointed, the number of High Court judges will go up to 49 against the sanctioned strength of 85, provided the process is completed before the retirement of sitting judges. Stop. Available information suggests the name of advocates Vikas Suri, Vinod Sharma, Pankaj Jain and Jasjeet Singh Bedi were cleared by the Supreme Court Collegium in its meeting held on September 1st. Stop. The names were finalized and forwarded by the High Court Collegium in August last year. Stop. These were further forwarded by the Centre to the Supreme Court as late as in April this year. Stop. The process of appointing judges is lengthy and time consuming. Stop. Once cleared by the states and governors, the file containing the names with Intelligence Bureau reports in placed before the Supreme Court when it meets. Stop. The names cleared for elevation are then sent to the Union Law Ministry before their warrants of appointment are signed by the president. Stop. The process can take several months if not taken up on a priority basis. Stop. Already 7 judges have retired this year and another judge is scheduled to retire in December. Stop. Another 5 judges are retiring next year. Stop. The problem of plenty continues to be a matter of concern for the High Court. Stop. The National Judicial Data Grid, the monitoring tool to identify, manage and reduce pendency of cases, indicates the pendency of 4 lakh cases in the High Court. Stop. Of the total pendency cases in the Punjab and Haryana High Court, 1 lakh are criminal matters involving life and liberty. Stop.